some questions. How many of you are scared for giving a speech? Stay with me. And how many of you want to spend lots of time with your father? I could wish to do that, but because of some problems I couldn't. One day I requested Dad to go to Worlds of Wonder. I have went it 2 to 3 times, but it's a long time to go there. I asked Dad, can we go? He said, of course, but this weekend. I said, okay. On the weekend, it was decided we will reach directly from our home and Dad will directly come from his office. We reached, but there was a huge queue on the ticket counter. Still, we bought the ticket and called Dad. But the call said, the number you are dialing is currently switched off. Please call later. We tried Dad's phone for last 1 hour, but then Dad's call said, yeah, where are you? We said, Dad, we are waiting for you at the entrance of Worlds of Wonder. Come fast. We have also bought the ticket. He said, why have you bought the ticket? You should have asked me before taking the ticket. We said, why? We were coming and getting the ticket to go inside. He said, no, I am really busy in a meeting of Toastmasters. And that was because it was the mid-session, that's why we called it. And he said, don't amuse that it was the end of the meeting. It was the mid-session. After that, another meeting is there. So we sadly went home and Mom said, now we are not in the mall, you have to study. And because of that wow moment, I was having that wow moment with my maths and science book, that was not at all good. Then, Dad said, I want to go to Delhi. Are you coming? We said, no. We don't want to sit in your meetings. They are so boring. But Dad said, no. The meeting is of 2 or 3 hours and then you can explore Delhi. We said, okay. We got ready, went into the mall and Dad's meeting started. It was 1 hour. It was 2 hours. 3 hours. 4 hours. And finally, the whole day got over. And he said, oh, now we can't explore Delhi because it's too dark. I am very tired and hungry. Let's go home. We sadly came home again. Ate. We didn't also eat the food outside. We ate homemade food. Can you imagine? Homemade food. Then it was my dad's birthday. And we went. It was a conference in Rohini. Dad said, we gave Dad a wristwatch, but because of Toastmasters, he didn't have a time to say thank you. In the mid-session, he said, my team is left, but I'll make you have fun. We'll go somewhere. We went in the meeting, sat and heard those boring speeches. We thought they'll get over and we'll have some fun. But no, guys. The day got over. Again the homemade food. Again no exploring Rohini. This is not fair. Then Dad said, okay. The day came when the day was mine. 2 days, 2 weekends only for me, he said. But he said, okay. But on Friday, he said, Saksham, do you love me? I said, yes, Dad. How much do you love me? I said, Dad, I love you a lot. Because you are taking me these 2 weekends somewhere to have fun. He said, no, child, just give me these 2 weekends because I just have to finish my meeting of Toastmasters. We just went, sat, heard those boring meetings, came back, and again had those boring homemade food. Okay, then same thing happened in lots of places like Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, and other places too. But guys, Toastmasters isn't so bad. It helps us to improve our English speaking skills, grammar, vocabulary, but I am waiting for the day. On that day, I want to make Dad realize how I feel when he always says no. This is not fair at all actually, but I'll make it. Excuse me guys, it's my school. Hello? No dad, I can't come, it's my meeting. No, we'll go sometime else. Bye. No, it was my dad's call. I said him no, I had fun. So, but Toastmaster isn't such bad. It improves our English skills, speaking skills, vocabulary, grammar. And at Toastmasters, I love you. Thank you. Over to you.